corresponding to GR number 260-268 from the Court of Learned Special Judge Pokto, Morigaon, placed on.
10th Lordship.
Okay.
European Lordship POXO matter. Scan copy of it.
Take steps during the course of the day. Special copy of the along with the Agoto procedure, along with a copy of the case diary of Model IPS case number. Special copy of case number 137-2024. Arising out of the Paigaon Police Station case number 70/2024. Corresponding to GR number 76/2024. From the Court of Learned Special Judge
Pokrajar.
Pokrajar.
For that may be given, my lord,
Special
because,
Judge
my lord, today is 204 days, my lord.
On 6th or 9th Lordship.
For that may be given, my lord. Thank you.
5th.
Lordship.
5th of December, my lord. of last.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, intermediate quantity, Lordship, total Lordship 11.12 gram with container, heroin, Lordship. Lordship, today 29 days.
Lordship. 11, 12.
On 12th.
11.
Not on 12th. 11.
11.
This is NDPS, right?
Yes, Lordship.
On 12th. We are keeping all the NDPS matters on 12th.
Lordship.
12 December.
12 December.
I can tell.
7.
In this case, my lord, scan copy may call for me.
Take steps on the public prosecutor to the registry during the course of the
Scan copy of the report.
registration. Special Pokto case number 36/2024. Arriving out of Laluk Police Station. Case number 31/2024. Corresponding to GR number 152/2024. 17.
Lordship.
December.
Laluk,
Lakhimpur Lordship.
Look, prior to 17,
okay, on 10th.
Obliged.
Along with the copy of the case.
Obliged.
Eligibles continue.
10th, no?
Lordship, POXO matter, your Lordship. Today is 79 days already behind the bar. FIR is at page 11 in the typed copy.
Take steps on the informant,
On 2nd.
question number 2. During the course of the day through the registry. Copy served on the public prosecutor through the registry.
2nd Lordship.
2nd,
Possible for you from Basugaon, Chirang?
Chirang Lordship. Then on 4th.
No, if you can get it, it's fine. We don't-
2nd,
On 3rd Lordship.
Okay, fine.
not obliged.
No representation. No separate representation. 9. No name of one, two, three.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, this is an applications under 483. Lordship, I am a reputed businessman. Lordship, on 11 November 2024, I came to Guwahati along with my driver for my business purpose and stayed at Hotel Colleges Hotel.
This
and
is cyber PS case, get the case diary.
Yes,
Yes,
Lordship. But during
Second,
On 2nd.
second
December.
December. Lordship, can be 27th.
on 2nd.
Tell you also same, my lord.
Same.
Thank you.
Second. Second.
So 11, you can have it on third.
Lordship.
11.
Third. Lordship, both the matters
Both
are
the same.
same matter.
But case numbers are different.
Same.
Same case.
Same.
Same
case.
Same date.
Second Lordship. Well,
Your Lordship, kindly pass over time.
No passover. Now, have you rectified the mistakes? By order dated 19/08/2024. The court granted time to the petitioner to rectify the mistake.
nine to Matisse.
Kept up in the first page of this prayer as well application. Thereafter, on 4 occasions, time was granted to the petitioner for correction of such mistake. The matter was listed today, the petitioner was again paid for time. Place this matter only after correction of such mistakes by the petitioner.
May I please, Lordship? Lordship, instructions were called for. Lordship, after some time, Lordship.
When
Instructions.
the
were called
petitioner appeared before the authority.
Lordship, after the Puja say appeared before the investigating officer
do-
and she recorded her statement.
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, we are supposed to provide an instruction after some time. Lordship. At two.
Much obliged.
May I please, your Lordship? I'm sorry, Lordship. Item number 9, Lordship. I appear on behalf of Amber DK Buddha will appear, Lordship.
I don't know, there are 4 councils to pass the order. Yes.
Can
please
you
appear
please,
in.
Lordship, after some time, he's coming, Lordship, because
See, basically, when the case is represented by senior, the junior should be allowed.
Lordship,
Not only the senior, we can understand about the senior, but that cannot be considered for the juniors.
Lordship. Can you recall? Obliged.
Who is it? No, হরিজনকে লয়ার থাকিব কথা বলে। No representation on behalf of the petitioner. Do you have the instruction number?
Lordship, after some time.
Okay.
Yesterday also we have talked, Lordship, so he was supposed to be present.
Yeah.
15, no?
15. Just a minute, take it. Kalimpunan. The numbering to pencil. Pencil, raise the key. Number.
Your Lordship. Your Lordship, item number and 15 and 16 pertains to the same FIR, Your Lordship.
Okay.
FIR is at page number 11.
Item number?
15 and 16. Yeah, next. Here.
Actually, we're the present petitioner and his brother is the prime accused. And smuggle dry reckonut from Dimapur. City will pay for it.
Your dick is there.
Lordship.
Your lordship, at item number 15, we have the prayer of interim. Since your lordship, the present petitioner is the brother of the accused. Accused in item number 16, and he is no way connected in the offense.
Let the case diary come, we'll
Lordship,
consider.
both the persons are the main accused, Lordship, from as per the
Let the
FIR.
case diary come.
Yes,
Yes,
Lordship.
lordship.
It's from Karbi Anglong, Lordship, can be on 6th. Lordship, 11th,
Six possible probably.
11, Lordship. So too many cases are fixed on 6th, Lordship.
11.
Oblige your lordship.
Obliged, Lordship.
7, 16 to list along with 15 to.
Separate copy of
Order করে রান্না করে দেবো। বেলেগে list along with.
Please, your lordship. Lordship, the separate copy of the FIR is in page number 13, lordship. Lordship, the petitioner is the husband of the owner of the Paravida Trading Company, lordship.
Please take it. Get the case there.
Lordship. On 11/12, Lordship.
Get it early.
9th.
Today is only 22nd. We'll have it on 6th. Of the 6th, let us see. Okay, on 6th.
6th.
May I please your lordship. The FI is at page 9. It's the translation. Previous application with respect to 112.
Yes. Yes.
Long gap. Long gap. Long-
Get the case there.
Lordship. On 12th, Lordship. Yes, Mr. Deepa, huh?
From Rongia, it will take some time, wrong 12. This is from Rongia only.
Lordship, then on 9th, Lordship. I think 63.
Much obliged.
No, very.
9th,
The last topic.
19th, no.
No.
Hmm. 9th.
Copy has been furnished.
Lordship, copy, we have not received the intimation, Lordship, till date,
You have not received.
not received.
This has to come from
It is from
Manbajar.
Women Police Kamru Metro, Lordship.
by 2 you inform us.
Yes,
Otherwise
Lord.
we'll
Yes,
pass the
Lord.
necessary order.
Yes,
This
Lord.
cannot be from Manbajar.
Lordship, Lord.
Get the information. Whoever is looking up.
Obliged,
That too,
Lordship.
inform us.
The last occasion, Lordship, gone through the records, Lordship. And who accused were granted.
Barua. Let me go to no representation on behalf of the petition on call. To names of court counsels have been reflected in the court. List after 2 weeks on again.
23.
Next resolution. Today's 109 days behind the bar, Your Lordship. 22C is there and again. FSL report was called for. 23.
23, Lordship, the FSL report is still awaited, Lordship.
Received.
Not received, Lordship.
Give us the case date.
Lordship. সিজন নেই বাহিৰত দেখে নেকি তুমি চাহা দেখে নে কোনটো বুলিব তার ভরসা নাই খালি যাব আৰু অলপ কি কৰোঁ মানে
List on. Second. On the said date, the investigating officer of
গৌরীপুর গৌরীপুর 2/20
Gauripur PS case number 223/2024 arising out of Baladan OPZD entry number 33 dated 02/08/2024 corresponding to GR number 884/2024 as well as the Superintendent of Police Dhubri shall apprise the court as to when the regarding the status of FSL report relating to the seized items in the said Gauripur PS case number such and such. That was sent to the FSL. For its report on six eight two zero two four. Copy of this order to Mr. P. Sharma during the course of the day.
Hello.
Lordship, charge sheet has been submitted.
No representation on behalf of the petitioner. On call. Do. Names of two councils have been reflected in the case list. During the deliberation of the matter, Mr. Sharma, public prosecution right, apprise the court that, yes, yes, number,
CS number 169 dated 28/10/24.
in view of the police station case 174 under section 64 or 351 in bracket 2 ENS ready section 654 corresponding to no, like, right. Yes, next.
Might be also matter. But that might have quantity E64 with container and commercial is 250 mile. So your lordship can see might have from first page 12 your lordship can see.
Yes,
Here, Lordship, in the CD, Lordship, only the gross weight is mentioned, Lordship, not the net weight. And Lordship, I have asked them, Lordship, the IO, and I have also forwarded the copy of the order, Lordship, regarding the net weight. And Lordship, the difficulty is now it is a technical defect, Lordship. Because once the inventory is done, Lordship, whether for some reason, Lordship, the net weight is not mentioned in the inventory, Lordship.
you are aware of the law laid down by the Honorable Epic.
Lordship,
It has to be,
yes. I pointed it out, Lordship, but it was done in the presence of the judicial magistrate, Lordship. So that is the difficulty now. They are also facing that problem, Lordship. So
you have the case diary.
yes, Lord.
On a basic question, but on the face of it with container, my,
We'll see to that.
on the face. Kindly have a look to page 14, my lord, first. That- Page 14, my.
Yes, where is the judgment of the apex? It has to be together with the,
Someone opposed to.
it has to be weighted separately. There is a specific judgment. Where is that? You have the apex court judgment.
That it is decided, my lord, on 17 November 22. You see, my lord,
This is the, there's a specific judgment when it contains
spirit that
container.
is there, my lord, that.
Give us that judgment.
This is not a spirit, it is simply stated, but that
No,
we,
no, this is not a judgment. If it is in some bag, some container,
yeah.
some bottle, then it has to be weighted separately, minus the weight of the bottle or whatever. Give it to us by Monday or Tuesday. Consider. There is a specific judgment.
Yes, Monday it will be, yes,
May not be on Monday, you have it on Tuesday.
Tuesday,
May not be listed because tomorrow is closed. So we'll have it on Tuesday. Give us that judgment.
my lord, it is there. Tuesday, man. That is
Tuesday.
20, one who, 26.
Today is 60 days.
Yes, ma'am, this is a POXO matter.
Your Lordship, SH Gora will appear, Lordship, is coming.
After some time.
After
Yes, next.
very full fund. CD received, Lordship. The Lordship, it is intermediate quantity, Lordship. And to my calculation today is
58 days. 58.
58 days.
Yes, what about charge sheet?
Charge sheet not submitted,
Get the
Lordship.
information.
CD is here, Lordship, pending for the FSL report again, Lordship.
For MSP Bora, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma. Can you tell us when it was forwarded to the FSL?
Yes.
Mr. Parasar,
Lordship, after
get hold of Mr. Dinath,
Lordship,
senior government advocate.
Lordship, after some time, Lordship, I will just place the date, Lordship.
Petition of route.
Lordship, it is 27-9, Lordship, if I'm not wrong.
Okay. Corresponding to the number 771 of it. What is the date of arrest?
Lordship, 26/9/2024.
As per the case diary, Mr. Sharma. Arrest memo.
Yes, memo, Lordship. Lordship, the accused Chalan is of Lordship 27-9,
That is challan after the production before the court.
Lordship. Chalan.
That will be one day later or maybe on the same day. There cannot be when he was produced on 26/9.
Yes, Lordship.
Give it to us.
Lordship, Chalan has been found, but
Whenever he's free, ask him to come. Was arrested on 26/09/2024 and in custody since. From the possession of the petitioner, police recovered
no.
.64 gram of suspected heroin. In presence of witnesses. Accordingly, he was arrested. Descend from the case there. That the petitioner was arrested earlier. In Gopur PS case number 139 of 2021 under section 21B, 29 of the NG case. Mr. Sharma, an additional public prosecutor from the case that is submitted. That Mr. Nath, something has to be done by the forensic department of this state. See, what we have noticed, we do not know what is the reason behind. And the law minister was here the secretary, law department was here, who also served as the secretary, whom yesterday you have said.
Lordship.
We had a detailed discussion regarding this issue. Now, suspected heroine, you can understand for certain reasons. When there is a huge, it is 21C or whatever. Now, we have today cases since last 4-5 months. There was no FSL report.
No report, sir.
And interestingly, when the matter relates to heroin, the IO will not submit, they will forward the case diary along without the FSL, saying that FSL is not ready.
Everything.
Majority of the drugs who have been accused, who have been arrested in a drug connection have to be released,
The
non-availability of the FSL.
FSL.
As you know the law very well, the Apex Code has specifically directed not to file any search without the FSL.
Correct.
We do not know where is the delay. Right?
Lordship.
So
I'll take it up. I'll take it up. It
we are
has to come.
fixing a matter
It has to come.
on, you give us by 6th,
Lordship.
total number of reports pending for each district of Assam from the forensic department.
NDPS. NDPS.
NDPS,
Lordship.
whether it is ganja or whether it is cadmium phosphate, whatever.
Lordship.
For each police station, how many cases are pending?
Lordship.
We want to know, because
My lord.
it is also brought to our notice that in many cases, reports are ready on the pretext of not received of any intimation from the forensic department. The IOs are not collecting. This has been specifically indicated to us.
Okay.
Right?
I'll take it up.
That
Where-
has to
where is
be,
it?
that's why we do not know. There may be some nexus. Maybe,
What-
we do
what
not
is
know.
the- Lordship,
That's
I'll-
what they are forwarding the case diary. Several orders has been passed. The public prosecutors are submitting that no specific information has been coming from the concerned police station pertaining to the FSL.
FSL.
No intimation has been forwarded.
But-
These things are happening.
I'll find out the missing link below. Where it is missing.
Yes, you tell us on 6th.
Lordship. But Lordship is passing a order.
We
in
have
any
a
case.
matter of coming up, that 21C matter. Just few minutes
Okay.
back we had.
One item here, order to quiet over.
Item number 25.
21C, because it's otherwise you have to, for 60 days, you have to get, it's a matter of 180 days.
Item number,
There is an issue regarding the weight, Lordship. That matter, Lordship.
Not that matter. There was another case of 21C.
Yes, Lordship. Item 23, Lordship. Lordship is fixed on 212.
No, one matter was there where it is 21C, so 180 days. So the lady advocate said 159, so we have fixed it sometimes in the first week of December program. We'll let you know. Our bench assistant will let you know.
Lordship.
We are fixing it on 6th.
6, Lordship.
Because as on 30th of November, you'll having all the information. So you're giving some time and give us district-wise breakup.
I'll bring it up. I'll bring it up.
And how many are ready?
Lordship.
That also give it to us, and since when?
Yes.
Because it is important for us.
Correct.
So here is a case, the accused was earlier arrested in a similar offense. Now is getting bail because of default bail. No FSL report. Cannot detain him. It may be NDPS items, it may not be NDPS items. On suspicion, we cannot keep a person in custody like that.
Lordship. Lordship. It is enough. What amount of? What I'll collect the case number from the court master. Lord.
Oh, yes, it will
Lord.
intimated to you. Don't
Lord,
worry.
Lordship. I'm obliged. Lord.
Mr. Sharma, in this case, when it was forwarded, could you find it out from the record?
Lordship, I've given the date I have mentioned, Lordship. There is a note of the IO, the later part of the CD, Lordship.
There has to be a letter to the superintendent of police. It has to go. I will have to forward it to the SP of the
Yes.
district.
Sometimes what happens, Lordship, the FSL receipt, once they submit the sample, sometimes they attach this receipt with the case diary and sometimes they keep it to themselves, Lordship, for collection. So in this case, Lordship, I have not found the receipt, Lordship. But the iOS notice there, Lordship. Later part of the CD.
That letter has to be there, it has to be a copy at least, otherwise it's meaningless case there. Arrested on 13th October. Call bail. Condition with the special judge, NDPS, Joachim. Oh, this is substitution.
Relationship.
Eight, please, your lordship. Lordship, this is a regular bail application, lordship, where 120 days, lordship, although charge sheet has been submitted, lordship, FIR, lordship will find on page 15, lordship. This petitioner is a lordship 19 years old and the victim is lordship as per FIR 16 years lordship, 10-month lordship. They have a relation lordship, there are an allegation lordship regarding lordship uploading of kissing photographs lordship. Till date, he is lordship today 120 days in jail custody lordship. Others, this petition have a good academic career lordship. He has completed his HS lordship with first division mark, that is on page 22 lordship.
Cannot be a license, Mr. Chaudhary,
But
don't make such
lordship,
argument.
lordship, because
Taking
of
advantage is very bad. So
because
don't
of
make such argument here. You may mean it somewhere else, not here. Lekha. Third, Mr. B. Chaudhary, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma, additional prosecutor appearing for the state. Also, what's your good name?
M. Hussein, your lordship.
Learned counsel appearing for the informant opposite party. Naam beta apna. Arrested on 24/07/2024 and in custody. It is submitted by Mr. Chaudhary, learned counsel appearing for the petition. That as in the meanwhile, Sir sit in the side for care of PS case number 77/2024 has been filed and charges have also been framed. So considering his detention in custody since such and such or more than such and such, he should be considered for bail. It is also submitted by the petition that submitted by Mr. Chaudhary that petitioner is of 19 years old and has passed higher secondary examination in first division. Considering his future and his and present doing his graduation in arts at Hamidabad College, Atia. Being a student, he should be considered. As per the affair of the case dated 20/07/2024 lodged by the informant restaurant number 2. Before the Fakirganj police station. Allegation against the petition is that he induced the minor daughter of the informant and in the pretext of having love affair between the petitioner and her daughter. He has not only been sexually abused, but also the petitioner in his mobile took obscene photograph of her minor daughter with him and uploading those obscene photographs, uploading their obscene photograph in the social media. That went viral. I have threatened her life in future, who is minor in age. I threaten life in society with me. For such reason, the minor victim suffered physically and mentally. Accordingly, there is the case report that was called for by order dated 30/10/2002. It is seen that after filing of the search sheet, the said Procure against health and such case on 31/08/2024 charged the said Procure against was accordingly registered as special case number 523 of the 2024 before the special judge within bracket POCSO, Lubri, and on 1/10/2024 charged under section 354 in bracket A oblique 354 in bracket C, the IPC read section 8/12 of the POCSO Act, read section 67 in bracket capital B BIT Act, was framed against the petition. And matter is now fixed for recording of evidence of the prosecution. From the case record, it is seen that the search sheet of the case contains a list of 8 prosecution witnesses, including the minor victim girl, as well as the informant and the investigating officer of the case. From the case there, it is also seen that in her statement before the concerned investigating officer of the case under section 180 of the BNS, as well as her statement under section 183 BNS dated 23/07/2024, recorded by the learned Sub-Regional Judicial Magistrate within bracket as of the Italy. It is in that a minor victim implicated the petitioner in the alleged crime. Next step. In the said special case such and such, evidence of the minor victim, the informant, and the informant are yet to be recorded. Considering entire aspect of the matters and the materials available in the case records, the court is of the view that it is not a fit case to grant bail to the petitioner, considering his detention in case in such and such and such. In said special box of case number 4 arising out of hotel at this stage, according to such and such stands rejected.
Highly available.
Pranab,
29.
মাথা নেই দাদা। Lordship, CD has not been received, Lordship.
you have received.
Not received, Lordship.
Where from Sansari? Was on 411.
Lordship.
Lordship, petitioner is behind the bar 51 days. Lordship, statutory period is 60 days.
Next week, Lordship, any day to produce the CD.
Am I allowed to?
Twenty-ninth.
29th.
Published.
Or you can tell us on second.
Second.
Wait, please, your Lordship. Lordship, may I pray, Lordship, let this matter be taken up after 2 weeks, Lordship. Lordship, we have taken the step on 16/11, Lordship. Upon the Lordship responding.
Getting information from North Lakshmi Police Station pertaining to
The
service.
steps were issued to our office on 18/11, Lordship.
That's why sometimes on 9th or something like that. Then
10th.
Highly available.
Jalogwari,
CD not received, Lordship. It was sent back for updation, Lordship.
yes, when? Jalogwari,
Lordship. The amount. Any date, Lordship?
give us a certain date. We do not want to fill up the order sheet simply for giving you time.
That is why, Lordship, next week I would have said next week, Lordship, but as your Lordship has indicated, next week will be difficult.
That's why give us a date.
Lordship, 3rd or 4th December,
It is up to you, but you should have the case there.
Lordship.
Already Lordship,
When?
Third, Lordship.
can it be prior to that Lordship?
No point.
Next week, November.
Much obliged.
Hardly, but hard. No? Yes,
See,
we have the
likewise.
report. Patasar Kusi.
CD not received, Lordship.
Notice serve or not?
Regarding notice also, Lordship, we will
Let
take
me take a
instruction.
stress pilot, you know, I said,
Nine, six, no,
OC to the.
request not received, Lordship.
On 12/11, office received the,
Yes,
so from Patasar Kusi, today is 22nd.
Lordship.
Court,
Amount,
court.
Court.
Have the report.
Lordship,
Along with the case diary.
Lordship.
My lord, I have been told the city has come this morning, just they got an information.
But even if it has
Subjected
come,
modification by.
it doesn't matter. If the case diary also comes, it has to be proper report on the informant.
Yeah.
That way you have to have it.
Only what in fact, ultimately Foxo is not coming as per FIR.
We'll look into it. Get the information, Mr. Sharma, regarding service of notice.
Lordship. Yes. Lordship is fixing it on
Third,
third, Lordship.
Third, obliged to us.
Oh, no. Same Lordship, maybe fixed on the same date, Lordship will take the instruction as case diary, Lordship. 33, nine,
Huh?
nine,
Case taken, right?
nine.
No, case taken, no, my scan copy. Charge sheet case.
Regarding
It has
service,
come, I
Lordship,
think, my lord. But,
you also have the report from Manipur Police Station.
33, Lordship, name is shown, Lordship. Respondent name is shown, 33.
yeah, 33 is there, my lord.
But name is shown. Can we take any?
Appeared, my lord, appeared.
Just him.
His name appears.
Yes,
It is a case, my lord, I just take your statement of the victim guard, my lord. Teacher, my lord, this victim was, my lord, weak in English. He simply, my lord, some, what I can say by scale, etc., my lord, 2-3 times, in the back side, my lord. He's saying my page 33 zero, my lord. Page with the deposition,
Mr. Chaudhary, just a minute, we'll just answer. বড়ুয়া। এই সময় এটা সবক্ষণই কোন আছে কোনে ফাইল করছে BA 3385. Please take your seat. নাই 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 একোটো হয় না
এটা সব position
মারিতে পিটিছে খালি
ইংলিশ বই তাই নিজে করেছে ইংলিশ Actually, management
এটা একটু ডিটেইলস না থাকে না কোনটো এই শর্মা কিন্তু your silicon you put it. On my lip. Pardon, Mr. H.R. Chaudhary, National Council. Assisted by Mr. Ayush Chaudhary, Council for the. And Mr. K.K. Mr. Adar, you are here? You are- No.
The victim girl is a student of class 5 and he beat her in front of the other students.
Only have 164 statement, madam, and that's what she said. By the Procedural final section 32A and 9F, initially registered under 352. আমি তো মজাই মজা একটু করি
Mr. Parasar, you do you have the POXO Act with you?
My lord, yes.
Please not have read this.
মানে your lordship need a copy, ma'am.
No, no, it doesn't have, we would have provided.
Whole,
Section 8, my lord.
Hmm?
no, actually, fact sheet under section,
Read section 7 for yourself.
it is. Roma report is. Roma report is, Roma, rules of একমত।
You read it?
Yes, sir.
Then read section 9F.
9F.
Yes.
Read it? Now read section 3554A of the IPC, not of the BNS.
একটু লো।
Of the IPC.
IPC like.
একটু লো।
Yes.
354 capital A. Yes. Yes, next time to
Next one.
capital A. Yes,
Next one.
You read it?
My lord. Okay. Recording on 15/9.
21, 9/24.
Recording on 15/9.
Huh?
Recording.
21 line.
Puru page not do.
Forward into
Hey, bookmark.
all. 29.
15/9.
Scene বলে লিখে
15/9. 10. Saturday. 68 days.
Huh?
68.
Read it for yourself.
Yes, my lord. Please, my lord.
Now, can you tell us how section 9F will come in or 354A will come in? And that is, what we personally see, the high-handedness of the police.
My lord. In this particular case, yes, my lord. Nothing, my lord.
They are bold enough. Where he is required to do good things,
Yes,
he
yes.
will
my
do
lord.
something else. And if certain accounts we have seen, he will be in connivance with the accused person. He will not incorporate the proper statements.
Because in both the statements, he is.
We have to, so. Yes, Mr. Razak, what we have to. Show him. Show him.
ইংরেজি কম করবেন না মাঝে করবেন in the statement also. Beat me. Beaten me with hand on my back.
What is your objection now?
So far, statement under 164, now 183 BNSS, my lord. Sexual allegation of sexual harassment.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Okay. On the file. It's taken a- yes, yes.
The, if you look at the recording,
Yes, remember.
you are fully aware.
Yes.
You made a submission before the court on instruction of the concerned investigating officer of the case that the case diary was placed before the court of learned district judge. You did not say session judge.
Yes.
District judge in September.
Yes.
And is yet to get it back.
Yes.
And it will be placed next week as soon as it is. After some time, when the matter was over, you say that they have found the case diary. So, and you can place it even by the next date or but by that time we have fixed today.
Yes.
Ask him whether it is correct or not. Was his statement was correct? Can he show us the date on which he has given the case diary? In September 2024. We have the report from the Court of Learned Sessions. We can give you the dates. And he has submitted wrong facts before the court.
On that day also, lordship had asked him whether he had some need for something. And he,
First of all, what is the necessity of saying wrong facts before the court?
in that regard, lordship, I have put him into question, lordship. He has given me some.
Is there any explanation? We have the data. We have received it from the Court of Learned Sessions judge. When the case diary was placed before that court, when the bail was rejected, it was a pre-arrest bail, it was rejected. And everything was done in which month we have all the reports. The question of September was much later. What was the reason before the court of saying him, the IO to say that it was submitted in September?
He wanted to say something in that regard.
Today we will not change it. It is already on record.
Okay. Now, regarding that explanation, lordship, why was that paid for you, lordship? He had.
That will cannot be done. Everything is in camera.
Yeah, absolutely.
So tell us what to do. Charge sheet might have been filed earlier. You said when?
No, that is filed after he found the case diary, lordship, on 2011.
So tell us the reason.
Before lordship makes up their mind upon anything, lordship just hearing lordship what he had said regarding the state tax. Only that much. After
Ask him to file an affidavit. But everything is on record.
yes, yes. He had admitted lordship. Even now lordship he had said that yes, I had said that. But it was due to this reason. That he had said that if lordship wants to hear him, lordship has to say
Will not hear him. Ask him to file an. But we have the record.
yes, yes.
We have received from the Court of Learned Sessions Judge, Kamrup Metro, Guwahati.
Yes.
On the same day,
Yes, lordship.
if you made a submission
Yes.
that it is already, case that has been received, we received it. You might have noticed that I was writing something.
Yes.
This court was writing something
Yes.
in a slip.
Yes.
Give it to him. We got the information immediately.
That is why lordship I asked him why.
That's the reason.
When he told me that the case diary was sent to the district judge, I asked him, do you have a copy of the slip? He did not have. So I asked him again. Then he,
How can he lie before the court? How he can say such a, he wants the court to be misrepresented?
without based on his defense, I'm not trying to steal him, but the thing is also what he has stated will I'm just asking your lordship to submit. What he has told me is lordship that he misplaced the file. He was under the impression that it is reported, and because he was to your lordship, he becomes so nervous that he doesn't. That is his explanation. I am not trying to defense. If lordship just hears him, after they will lordship ask him to file it because conduct the inquiry, that's another thing. Just lordship will hear him.
Let him file an affidavit. See, basically, we can trust a man who speaks truth before the court.
Exactly.
We will not play with any kind of such lie.
Lordship will
And
file it.
at least having experience with the statements made by the IO, immediately I have started writing the note. That is why we have given the slip. We have not done in other cases.
I understand.
I got it?
And
That's the clear thing. We are not writing those slips for other cases. Why you have written for this case?
whatever your lordship said, we will evaluate it. Another
Ask him to file an affidavit.
lordship just hears him. Lordship. That's not-
Let him say whatever he wants to say in his affidavit.
Info. Indicate.
Huh?
Info.
Lordship, he wants to submit in Assamese. He said,
Hindi.
It is better, Mr. Sharma, that he should file an affidavit.
he will file an affidavit, lordship. There is no question about it, lordship. He just wanted to submit lordship regarding the fact. After that, he will file affidavit. Otherwise, if lordship,
আপোনাৰ কি ক'ব লগা আছে?
ছাৰ মোৰ ক'ব লগা বিশেষ এনেকে নাই, কিন্তু সিদিনা জাজমেণ্টৰ আগত প্ৰথম তেওঁৰ কাৰণে থটমত খালোঁ, ভয় খালোঁ ছাৰ, সেইকাৰণে মাইণ্ডটো বহুত কেছ জাৰি আছে, সেইকাৰণে থটমত খালোঁ, ক'ত কাৰ্য ক'ত গ'ল, মানে প্ৰথমবাৰৰ কাৰণে হৈছে 7.5 বছৰ চাকৰিত প্ৰথম লাষ্ট মাৰ্ক কৰি দিব আৰু ছাৰ, নেক্সট ভুল নকৰোঁ আৰু।
কোৰ্টত মিছা কথা ক'লে তাৰ ৰিজাল্টটো কি হয় জানে?
ছাৰ
Are you aware? If he misrepresent before the court, what is the outcome? And you belongs to a disciplined force.
লাষ্টবাৰ মই মাৰ্ক কৰি দিব। ভয় হৈ গ'লো ছাৰ, থটমত খাই গ'লো।
Let it be on record. Pursuant to the order dated 18/11/2024. Mr. Ujjwal Pegu, Sub-Inspector of Police, Assam, concerning the investigating officer of Dispur Police Case number 170/2024, is personally present before the court. It is submitted by him that on finding of the case diary, search sheet in the case was filed. Mr. Sharma, on which date?
2011-24,
CS number
839. 839,
on which date?
2011-24. This month, 2011.
Day before yesterday?
Lordship?
Day before yesterday?
Yes, Lord.
Ask him when it was sent to PI court.
PI court কেতিয়া পঠাইছে মানে এই কাগজটো? Yesterday, Lord.
Is he saying correctly? Ask him, is he saying correctly or not?
ভালকে ভাবি কিনে কওক দেই আৰু।
একদম যোৱাকালি জমা দিছোঁ,
যোৱাকালি জমা দিছে।
ডাক যোগে।
Through DAC, he has submitted yesterday. That's what he said.
Shall we verify the office, PI office?
PI office.
That is the reason we are asking him.
Not received.
Ask him to say it correctly.
He says that he has the receipt in the police station. What he has submitted.
We'll get the report from the PI court.
And I can ask him to produce the receipt also. Receipt to আছে তো আপনার কাছে?
থানাত আছে,
আপনার কাছে তো?
আপোনাক পঠাই দিম।
Next. The court earlier on 11/11/2024 directed the personal appearance of the investigating officer of Dispur PS case number 170/2024 as the court by order dated 02/07/2024 call for the case diary of said Dispur PS case, which could not be placed before the court up to 11/11/2024, in spite of granting several times. In spite of granting times on several dates. It is to be noted herein that Continue. Be voted closed. The investigating officer of this previous case, who is personally present before the court, is directed to file an affidavit in the matter. Such affidavit shall be filed by him on or before 2nd of December 2024. He shall personally remain present before the court again on 4th of December. List accordingly on 4th December. As the list according to such and such on the said date prior list of the said date. As in the meanwhile, charge has been filed in this case, in the said disproprious case number such and such on 2011-2024. The petitioner shall appear before the appropriate court for his regular bail on or before 30th of November 2024. Till then, the interim order. Till then, the interim bail granted to the petitioner earlier on 027-2024 in said dispute case number such and such is extended only up to 30/11. List accordingly on 4/12. And Mr. Sharma,
Lordship,
ask him to leave the court today, and we are fixing the matter on 4th. He shall file his affidavit on or before 2nd. Yes, what is the information, ma'am?
Lordship, I have talked with the IO Lordship, so that he has informed me that during inquiry period, the matter has been ended up and there is no case has been registered in the, against the petitioner Lordship, as per telephonic instruction.
Heard MS V. Sharma, learned counsel appearing for the petitioner. And MS S.H. Bora, an additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. I'm being directed and on instruction Ms. Boral and additional public prosecutor submitted that as on date, no criminal case has been registered against the petitioner in Dokmoka Police Station. District Karbi Anglong. In view of the above, this prior's bail application of the petition being stands dismissed.
Much obliged, Lordship.
Borwa. Yes, in any information.
Lordship, I have been telephonically instructed that no case has been registered.
Same order.
Here, one or two more with a please.
against the petitioners. Hmm? আমাদের কিন্তু আগে করতে পারি না। বরপেটা পুলিশ স্টেশন। আগোটো to telephonic instruction লিখিবা, এটো to telephonic instruction। এটো খালি আড়ালি পাঠিয়ে পারে। ওকে।
Your Lordship, the office bearer informed us that we have not received the notice from the registry Lordship, but as per notice note, as per office note Lordship, it has been sent on 4/11/2024. But they have.
Yes,
informed
that's
me-
how, of course, one thing is there.
Yes,
Your office said they did not receive.
Yes, they have to instructed me in that way. Lordship. They have not received it.
One M Sharma received
I'm
in your
sure-
office. M
I'm
Sharma
Sharma.
for public prosecutor. Assam.
He's the office bearer.
So that is his signature. We received on 4/11.
For verify Lordship to that extent.
This has to come from
Omen Police Lordship,
all women.
all Omen Police.
Let us know by third.
Yes,
This is very early.
yes.
List on third,
So,
the sum
obliged Lordship.
pertaining to status report
Absolutely.
regarding service of notice of this case
19.
and the informant consent.
19.
Public.
Not husband.
This is from Roha.
Yes, Lordship, notice, I have talked with the IO, notice was duly served upon respondent number 2, Lordship,
Today is 60 days, Lordship.
and CS is not filed. That is pending.
Arrested when?
On 24/9, Lordship. 24/9, 2024. Section 8.
Monday.
Lordship, CS is pending, Lordship, as per telephonic
He
instruction.
has not filed, Lordship. Today is 60
That's
days.
what,
Yes, on Monday, Lordship,
on 28th we'll know.
Monday.
Monday,
Sorry, on 25th,
25th.
Monday,
Lordship.
Monday.
Yes, Lordship. Thank you for attending. Also, ma'am,
Today is 60 days.
Lordship. Okay. That's what Lordship said, they have informed me that CS is not filed,
Not submitted.
not submitted.
Already. Default bill. 50,000.
26, I think.
Special Judge Poxo Naga. লেখা কিছু Heard Mr. N.S. Bora, BURA, counsel for the petition. RMS, S.H. Bora, additional public prosecutor. Petitioner namely. Passport is very. Police station potentials. Corresponding to GR number 3274/2024, in which he was arrested on 24/09/2024 and in custody since then. As for the affair of the case dated 23/9/2024, the allegation against the petitioner has been lodged by the informant, opposite party number 2, is that on 17/09/2024, in the evening around, not evening, at night around 8:30 p.m. The petitioner, taking the advantage of darkness, tried to commit rape on her mind.
Recover the money, your lordship, as if it is a court for execution, your lordship. Your lordship, I am.
Okay. Today is Friday.
Lordship,
The IO needs some time.
Lordship,
We are having on 27th.
Lordship,
On 27 at 2 p.m. we'll take up this matter.
Lordship.
Considering the
PM,
fact that
Lordship.
this is in a Panbaza police station
At
case.
2 p.m. Lordship.
We'll possibly-
Lordship may kindly see the
Apply,
external
lordship.
affidavit, your lordship.
We have seen. that.
Every document, your lordship, I have,
We'll
your lordship,
consider,
annexed, I have repaid your lordship,
we'll consider on Wednesday.
lordship.
Don't worry.
Highly open.
Police is
The
your,
prayer of the IO of the relevant case matter be fixed on such and such.
I have been asked to appear, your lordship, I have not
Wait till
been
Wednesday.
appearing, your lordship, that,
We'll do the
Lord.
necessary order on Wednesday.
lordship. Deeply obliged, your lord.
Same again, business.
Lordship.
That has been forwarded to the
Your
CBI, my lord.
Sirs.
Oh, that matter.
Yes,
Yes, I remember. It was informed yesterday. It has been handed over to.
yes.
Yes.
Why you have not said earlier?
But no, do not know. But yesterday also I inquired after your, then my lord, I came to know, yes.
Heard Mr. S. C. Biswas, counsel appearing for the petition. And Mr. B. Sharma, additional. project.
There are two cases. Another case also, it has not come, I think, today.
That has been charged sheeted, Lord.
CBI चा job होता है.
No,
It was CBI चा देखो ऐसे.
$74 has been handed over to.
CBI. And with regard to 127/22, Lordship, that has been charged sheeted, Lordship. Okay.
That's it. Before CBI.
2022 ke charge sheet.
Which is that order?
Which, Lordship? Oh, that order.
Anyway, that 9th October probably.
Yes, Lordship.
9th October 2000.
Business 74.
Business
Has
case
been
number
handed to
74
CBI.
of 2024,
Has been handed to.
corresponding to GR case number 115/2024, has been handed over to the CBI. Next, give such submission of Mr. Sharma, additional verdict.
74.
Petitioners are directed
One of the 24 figure. It was already charged sheeted. We-
sub a copy of this bill application to Mr. M. Holloway, Special Public Prosecutor CBI, during the course of the day. List on 27th, 26th. Reflecting the name of CBI in the cause list under the Respondent call. Children, 26, huh? Interim order. The deduction of salary on interim bill granted them earlier on such and such.
Hello, dear Lord, we have to appear before the CBI now.
We have passed an order. It will come up on 26. Serve copy of the bill application to Mr. Halloway and take receipt.
Obliged.
26.
26.
আচ্ছা ঠিক আছে আইটেম নাম্বার 70
আপনি রাখছি 43 একটু কেস সিবিআই দিচ্ছে নতুন কেস
আইটেম নাম্বার 70 মে আই প্লিজ ইওর লর্ডশিপ
This কোনো সময় গেছে, sorry, but- Yes, case diary.
Yes, received, Lordship.
Custodial detention required or not already in interim.
Lordship, the difficulty is, Lordship. He has not complied with the order of the interim protection, Lordship.
He did not appear.
He has appeared once, Lordship, but he was supposed to produce certain documents. After that, Lordship, he has never appeared, Lordship. If Lordship kindly goes to the, I will just point out, Lordship, in the interim order also, he was directed to appear before the IO every fortnight till completion of the investigation, Lordship. He has not done that. That apart, Lordship, he was directed to produce his identity proof photograph within a week, but he has not done so.
Okay, give it to us.
Yes. And regarding the incident, Lordship, just I'm pointing out, Lordship, he is operating an illegal diesel adulteration unit, Lordship, through which, Lordship, one person has been injured also, Lordship. His statement is also in the case diary, Lordship.
Otherwise, Lordship, all sections are bailable.
See, if you have not complied with the conditions of bail, you can understand, ma'am.
Only 318 is non-bailable and 318 does not attract Lordship.
Or MSP Kakoti,
Lordship,
Granite Council for the,
may I please, Lordship? Lordship, kindly let me take instructions from my client, Lordship. In the meantime, I will appear, Lordship.
you may appear, but what will happen?
The
You are
one-
supposed to
once a-
appear every fortnight. We are in month of November.
Lordship,
The
once
record
it's-
reveals that you appeared before the IO on 28th of September. And thereafter you vanished. Your mobile was switched off. You are not found at your residence.
Lordship, I will take.
What kind of
instruction.
instruction will help you, ma'am?
Kindly, Lordship.
See,
and-
thereafter police went to your house. You switch off your mobile. You are not available at your residence. It is not that the IO, the petitioner is not aware. Petitioner did not inform you,
Yes,
right?
yes, Lordship.
But a case there is very clear. They cannot override the court. They cannot be considered in that circumstances, ma'am.
And thanks, Lord.
Counsel appearing for the petitioner. And Mr. B. Sharma. Petitioner namely such and such, son of such and such, resident of the police station, Matia district. Kodra. Apprehending his arrest in Matia police station, case number such and such. Under section such and such. Corresponding to GR number 890/2024. Prayed for his, filed this application under section 482 BNSS for his pre-arrest bail in said Matia PS case. The court on 24/09/2024 granted interim bail to the petitioner named above in said Matia PS case number such and such with following conditions. Pradiva. Mr. B. Sharma, that additional public prosecutor. Place the case diary of said Matia PS case. It is seen. তার আগতে লিখো। The allegation against the petitioner, the allegation in the affair dated 14/09/2024, lost by the informed complainant in Matia PS case before the officer in charge of Matia police station is that on 13/09/2024, around 11:46 PM, a specific information was received from source person that the petitioner, along with his associates, illegally constructed a chemical oil manufacturing unit, manufacturing factory at his residence and engaged some common people in the said factory as worker, where the workers have been compelled to work in it, work in the said factory without proper safety measures. In the said affair, it is also indicated the petitioner with his associates running the illegal business since long. Full stop. On 12/09/2024, an incident occurred in the said illegal factory of the petitioner, where one labor of the said factory got burned from the hot liquid chemical. The petitioner established the said factory. It is alleged that the petitioner established the said factory without permission from the authority concerned. When the search operation was conducted in the house of the petitioner, certain materials were collected and seized that were used in making of chemical oil resembling diesel. According to such and such. From the case there, it is seen that the petitioner, on obtaining interim bail in said Matia Pace case number such and such, on 24/09/2024, appeared before the concerned investigating officer of the case on 28/09/2024. And was recording his statement, he was allowed to release on bail pursuant to the said order of the court dated. The case there indicates that the petitioner was asked and granted 1 week time to produce his identity proof, photograph, etc., with all the relevant documents for establishing the factory. But after 28/09/2024, the petitioner did not appear before the concerned investigating officer of the case, nor submitted the relevant documents that were sought for from him by the IO of the case. It is also seen from the case diary that though petitioner was tried to be contacted, he could not be found, and his mobile was also switched off. Though in the interim order, dated such and such, in the court while granting court by order, in the interim order, in the order is the 24/09/2024, the court while granting interim bail to the petitioner in said Matia PS case number such and such, at para 8 within bracket Roman 3 specifically provided that the petitioner shall appear before the investigating officer on every fortnight till completion of investigation of the case. The IO in his note indicates that he categorically stated that the petitioner did not appear before him after 28/09/2024. And thereby, the petitioner has breached the conditions of interim bail in said Matia PS case number such and such. The case there also indicates that it is also indicated that the petitioner did not cooperate with the investigation of said Matia PS case number such and such. Considering such materials in the case diary, the court is it's not a fit case to grant pre-arrest bail to the petitioner in said Matia PS case number such and such. And accordingly stands rejected. The interim bail granted to the petitioner in said Matia PS case number such and such by order dated 24/09/2024 accordingly stands packeted. recalled.
Obliged lordship.
The registry shall immediately communicate this order to the Superintendent of Police, Goalpara, as well as the officer in charge of Matli Police Station to inform accordingly the already investigating officers of such and such. Yes, next.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, just 482 BNSS for anticipatory bail application, my lord. POXO is there, therefore service was issued, my lord. Notice was issued, my lord, but service awaited.
Lordship, we have sent for intimation on 8/10, Lordship. But that is awaited. Lordship may appoint a Marcus to you.
Do you have the case record?
Yes.
Get the information by next week,
Lordship,
29th.
Lordship.
We'll appoint an IO. Everything is clear. So we'll have it on thereafter after engaging this. List on 29th. And they said that the officer in charge of Bihipura police station shall apprise the court. Oh. Nearly here. List on 29th. Full stop. They said that the officer in charge of Bihipura police station shall apprise the compliance of the earlier order dated 24/10/2024, failing which court shall consider to pass consequential order.
Public.
On the said that an additional public prosecutor shall produce the relevant case diary. Okay, next. Do you have the information?
Lordship, 46 otherwise also, Lordship, it is not maintainable, Lordship.
Let us. You have the case diary?
Yes, Lordship. Case is registered under section 376(3) of IPC, Lordship. And on school certificate, her date of birth is 30/09/2010, Lordship. And date of occurrence with the petitioner, that is on 30/5/2024. And obviously, she is a minor below 16 years victim.
Your good name?
Assyria's Lordship, Assyria's.
S.A. Riyaz for the petition. Anonymous. Assets for. By this application under section 482. DNSS. The petitioner, namely such and such. Son of such and such. And such. Is it about to likiba? Is it about to part? Apprehending his arrest. In Gosaigaon PS case number Bharadi. Under section such and such. Date with section such and such. Corresponding to GR number 101 of the 2024. As per the affair of the case. Filed on 08062024. The petitioner committed rape. The minor daughter of the informant whose date of birth was 30/09/2002 committed rape on the 30/05/2024 and thereafter. Her minor daughter, such and such date of birth. According. Case number such and such is registered. In the said FIR, it is such and such. The informant also named three other accused who also raped the minor daughter of the informant, or her minor daughter. খালি অৰ্ডাৰটো আছে নে তোমাৰ? নট মেইনটেইনেবল। তন্ময় লগত আছে নেকি? প্ৰতিভাৰ লগত আছে, তন্ময়ৰ লগত আছে। কাৰ লগত আছে? এনে চাই লোৱা, মই কৈ আছো। The considering the date of birth of the victim, the date of the incident and such occurred on 30/05/2024 and thereafter occurred of rape committed by the petitioner and thereafter. And the provisions of article section 438 CRPC. This 438(4). 438(4).
438 subsection 4 of the CRPC.
This bill application. This previous bill application. Stands dismissed. Return the case.
Obliged.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Tell us, pastoral interrogation is required or not?
My lord, to some extent is required, my lord. My lord, they have taken, purchased, various, my lord, vehicle and in the name of other person. Stating that they will pay the installment of all this. Subsequently, they have sold it to different persons of Meghalaya and Karbi Anglong without any authorization, my lord. And this is anticipatory bail. One of the co-accused, my lord, he has been arrested and Anup Patar. And this Vijay Tamang and another person, Ajit Das, they are still, my lord, absconding. My lord, their custodial intervention is necessary, my lord. My lord, vehicle only till now 21 vehicle came into the light, my lord. Maybe there are so many. And one accused already arrested, but these two persons are not arrested. This is the one petitioner before your lordship and another person not yet arrested. So for completing the investigation, my lord, custodial intervention necessary, my lord. They have seated several persons. Pardon,
It
money.
is totally commercial dispute, lordship. The petitioner before your lordship that school
Commercial.
teacher, lordship. The petitioner is also a victim, lordship. If my lord come to page 34, the petitioner lodged an FIR before the FIR against the main accused, Anup Patar. They come to page 34. Must prior to lodging the present FIR, lordship. In 19/4/2024, my lord petitioner lodged the FIR against the main accused.
It is registered or not?
Yeah, well, petitioner also victim. My lord, if come to page 25, there is one agreement, lordship.
No, agreements are there, matlab they are entered into agreement with other person that they will pay the installment and vehicle person in the name of other person. Giving bank loan in the name of other person. Subsequently, they sold the vehicle and they assured that the vehicle, they are running this vehicle in Stone Kesar in other field. But they have sold this vehicle without the intimation of the other persons. Matlab subsequently, when bank notice came, matlab these people are suffering.
Protection will be given, I will refer to the investigation. Totally commercial dispute and everything is based on documents first.
Okay, do one thing. You'll consider your bill on the next date. Right? Come to page number 26.
Lordship.
Right? Para 1. You read it for yourself.
Yes. That this deed of agreement.
Read it for yourself.
Lordship.
We have read.
Lordship.
Then come to page 28. Para 7. Para 8. Then come to page number 29. Para 9. You comply with. We'll consider.
Lordship,
You comply with. We are not going to hear anything. You say
Lordship,
we heard-
this JCB is in
We
my
cannot-
name, Lordship.
we do not know. We are not hearing any other.
Lordship,
You
if
said
Lordship
there
come
is
to pay, if Lordship
do
come
it.
to pace,
Then we'll consider. Otherwise, we'll consider the case there. Up to you.
Lordship, this JCB is in my name, Lordship. I have given rent to the main accused, Anup Pator. Lordship, if Lordship come to page 31, Lordship, that vehicle registration certificate, Lordship. For this agreement, I have lost on FIR before the Baitalangshu police station, Lordship, on April 2024.
This was
He also
executed
seated me, Lordship.
Okay, let us see. Mr. Borasar, what is the material against the petitioner?
Lordship?
Against the petitioner, as per the statement of the accused, Anup Patar is the main culprit. Along with the Anup Patar, he is also involved.
Things are different, which the case diary reveals. In the first one. Heard Mr. A.J. Hazarika, counsel appearing for the petitioner, and Mr. K.K. Parasal and additional public prosecutor appearing for the state. Pursuant to the order dated 22/10/2024, the Mr. Parasar have placed the relevant up-to-date case diary, Jagirat PS case number 159/2024, list on 27th for necessary order. It will take some time because interesting facts are there. We'll see. 27th for order.
Whatever was passed, I have appeared, my lord.
Yes, Mr. Parasar.
My lord, yes, they had appeared, my lord.
I'll do the word put it.
Statement recorded. And these are my lord, business transaction, my lord, between the parties. But my lord, earlier
Their custodial integrations are required or not, that's all, that much.
my lord, my lord, earlier they have agreement with the other company, subsequently because of some misunderstanding, now they are giving this. And they have appeared both and their statement recorded. And they are
Heard Mr.
cooperating.
Jain Sahala, Learned Senior Counsel, assisted by Mr.
A.K. Sagar.
for the petitioner, for the petitioners. Also heard Mr. Sasan Secretary. K.K. Parasar.
You say you are for the accused person. Informant.
Apprehending their arrest, the petitioners namely such and such.
But he is for the
Have filed this
informant.
pre-arrest bail application. Filed this application under section 482 BNSS. second pre-arrest bail in Jorhat Police Station case number 450/2 under sections corresponding to GR number 699/2022. Take your seat.
If I may, your lordship, I'm for informing your lordship, may kindly pass over the matter for the time being.
Why?
Senior counsel Biditas will be here shortly. He's engaged in another court as of now.
In that case, it will come on Monday, not today.
My lord, I shall be out of my lord, Monday, Tuesday, my lord. But, can it be just my lord?
2nd December. 2nd December.
Obliged, lord.
In my con.
Children. Ready. Yes,
CD is called for, my lord. CD received, lordship.
yes.
He has appeared before the IO, lordship.
Hmm?
He has appeared before the IO and recorded his statement, lordship.
Whether it is required for our further custody, that's what. Whether it's required under
To be very
custody
honest,
investigation, that's all.
to be very honest, lordship, not required. Because not required, lordship, to be very honest. While lordship, I'm sitting his lordship. Dispute seems to be, lordship. One contractor is the informant, lordship. The allegation is, lordship, that he along with some other persons, lordship, had obstructed the construction of the road, lordship. That is the allegation, lordship. And all these things went, was videographed and went viral in the social media also, lordship. That is the allegation.
Pardon, Mr. M. I have seen counsel appearing for the petitioners. Petitioner, yes. And Mr. B. Sharma. Apprehending his arrest, the petitioner namely Sassen's. Upward order to Tumi Marisa, Sailova, Karivata. Has filed this application under section 482 PNSS. Taking care his pre-arrest bail in Manchester Police Station, case number Sassen's. Mr. Thermal and additional public prosecutor from the case jury summit. That on obtaining interim bail inside Manchester PS case, the petitioner accordingly appeared before the investigating officer of Manchester PS case number 198/20. And his statement has been recorded by the concerned eye. As per the affair of the complainant, lodged on 05/10/2024 before the in charge of Kalapani Police Outpost, Kalapani, Hatsingimer, is that they said informant took over the charge of construction of a road from Diara to Sadullabari as its contractor. But the FIR accused persons, including the petitioner, demanded from him to provide supply materials for construction of the said road. And also demanded large sums of money and occasionally threatened him, as the informant did not came with the terms of the accused persons. They tried to defame the informant. And further, they on 4/10/2024 also demolished a section of the road under construction, constructed by him, by digging it to a substantial portion. From the perusal of the case diary, from the materials in the case there and the note of the IO, the court is of the view that custodial detention of the petitioner name of is not warranted for investigation of Sidman Kachar PS case number such accordingly for subject to the compliance of the directions and the conditions in the interim order such and such 20 interim bail the 2019 is such and such made obsolete.
Item 51, there are two petitioners.
Same allegation.
In fact,
The compliance खाली आते R Islam हो.
there is petitioners, two petitioners.
Here are two petitioners.
Much of
Interim order 8/10/2024 খালি আতে কৰি
8/10/2020
আগৰ কনসার্ন কেটা আৰু নতুন কেটা আগত দেখিছে নহয় সেটা ভৰাই দিওঁ ঠিক আছে
much of that.
1 and 2 same for the same address. Okay. Yes, Mr. Parashar Hatigaon.
Yes, CD available, this, petitioner informed husband and wife, that they have, husband and wife means, they have some marriage agreement, and they are living earlier as husband and wife, and they have a partnership firm. Subsequently, some misunderstanding, my lord, now wife stated that in her statement 164 that they has cheated me by my lord, about rupees 90 lakh. And the petitioner has appeared. He stated that some misunderstanding are there, but he has not cheated. These are my lord, and the tune of 90 lakhs, there are no such my lord, material in the CD. How my lord, the information has been
Person details there.
my.
এইখন বন্ধ কৰিব দিয়ক। But there is no statement of the other petitioner.
My lord, in person to the notice under section 35(3), my lord, the petitioner, both the petitioner has appeared, my lord, before the IO, my lord.
Yes, I have found only statement of Firoz.
That's what we found. Not about the others.
No, my lord, in this case, my lord, only one petitioner, my lord, other.
There are two petitions.
Two petitioner here.
Uh-huh.
Firoz Islam Sardar and another is Sajida Begum. Sajida Begum, my lord, is the younger sister of the informant.
That we have seen.
My lord.
It is there.
My lord. Another would not.
Oh, another petitioner. Here, think that. In fact, my lord, this is the cross FIR, my lord. The petitioner had earlier filed an FIR, my lord, that was not registered, received but not registered. Subsequently, my lord, the
Pardon,
informant has closed here.
Mr. Asok, counsel appearing for the petitioners, and Mr. K. K. Parasa. Pending their arrest. President of the and May second, President of the corresponding to GR number 5822/20. Report, yeah, it's built up. The informant is the wife of the petitioner number 1 and elder sister of the petition number. The petition number 1 and the informant entered into a partnership deal and jointly carried out business in the style of Messrs. SF Enterprise. Later, there was a dispute between themselves. And see, filed the affair of the case. From the case there, it is seen that on receipt of notice, the section 35(3), right? Quote, the petitioners appeared before the concerned investigating officer of the 35(3) BNFS, and their statements have been recorded. The case there also reveals that both the petitioners are regularly appearing before the concerned investigating officer of the case, as and when they have been called for the investigation of the case. The case there is up to about a decade. The petitioner are regularly appearing before the concerned investigating officer of the case since 11/10/2024, and the case there is up to 30/10/2024. Considering such materials indicate that reported review that custodial detention of petitioners are not warranted in the reporting condition letter 40,000 each to local security aid. Shall continue to appeal. All right, return the case.
I am obliged.
Yes, yes.
In the earlier occasion, up-to-date CD called for aromatic CDR report, Lordship, CDR analysis report. But unfortunately, it's a mistake on our part, Lordship, on our office. We have not sent back the CD, Lordship, because it is still lying on here from 13/11/2024. It might be, it's a mistake on our part, Lordship.
We want CDR analysis, right?
Yes, Lordship.
May I plead your lordship?
Hold on. There are certain materials.
Otherwise, Lordship, those suspected to be stolen 3 pipes that has been recovered.
Yes, that is the crux of the matter.
Okay.
Because considering the nature of allegations, my lord, no offense was made out by any of the accused persons, because all the stolen, there was not, articles are not stolen. They have done, attempt was made to stolen on the part of the.
Attempt was made. That
Attempt
is
wa-
very much there,
Pardon,
Lordship.
Mr. A. Paul, counsel appearing for the petition. And I'm as the explorer and it is not possible. Where was the case diary? By order dated 14/11/2024. The court directed or to place the relevant CDR analysis report with regard to the Sonapur PS case number 187 of 2004. However, same is not available in the court. List on 13th of December,
Lordship.
returned a case diary. Karakotile. It is seen from the case diary that the pipes, MS iron pipes involved in the case have been recovered. Return the case diary for its updation. As sought for by order dated 14/11. 14/11 till the 40,000 to local safety. Right. Appear before IO on or before 28 and thereafter at the end. List accordingly.
Lordship speaks it on 13/11, 13/12.
13/12 appear before IO on or before 28.
Lordship.
In here, your lordship, the petition number 2, she is the daughter of the petition number 1.
Yes, Mr. Sharma.
Lordship. Their lordship, two minor girls have been sold off, lordship.
Hmm.
Out of them, one has been recovered and one is still untraceable. Lordship. And petitioner number 2, that is Dut Meher Khatun, she is actively involved in this, lordship. If lordship kindly goes to the 164 statement of the girl which has been recovered. Lordship.
One girl is yet to be recovered.
Yes, one girl is yet to be recovered, lordship. So at this stage, lordship, there is a specific note of the IO also, lordship, regarding the custodial interrogation of the present petitioner. Jahera Khatun, lordship, she is yet to be recovered. Manjila Khatun, she has been recovered. Is there in the case, lordship.
Hmm. See, what we have seen from the case diary, this is only after the recovery of the
Yes,
victim, other victim,
yes,
right?
yes,
So, it's a very early stage.
Lordship.
Lordship,
Premature.
here in your lordship, in the FIR, your lordship, they are not the minor your lordship. If your lordship will go through the FIR, the age of the victim has been written herein. One is 24 years and another one is 27 years.
May not be minor, Lordship.
And
Hard.
apart from that, your
Mr.
lordship, in the
Yamkar,
FIR,
repairing for
regarding the petition number 1, there is no any allegation, your lordship. In respect of the father, your lordship, I'm saying, nothing is mentioned herein. Only it is alleged that
the
the accused number 2 knows all.
being India. And number two, daughter of the petition. Both are responsible. Correct. My own dear.
Or otherwise, your lordship may call up to date case diary, your lordship.
The as per the FIR, it is 210-2024, lodged by the informant. Allegation against the petitioner is that about 4 months back, the petition number 2 inducing his daughter, 24 years, and his niece, 27 years old, handed over the to a boy of Barpeta, and from him, the petition number 2 in exchange of that, petition number 2 took money from the said boy from Barpeta, about which the petition number 2 was aware of. Though the family members of the informant tried their best to find him out, they did not find her. On 03082024, the niece of the informant made a phone call to one of the family members of the informant. And as per the information given by his niece, family members, his family members, police personnel from Mayang police station, with the help of police personnel from Hafizpur district, Hapur, Uttar Pradesh, recovered his niece, but the informant's daughter, but whereabouts of the informant daughters are not known, and she hasn't been recovered. Hence, hence the FIR according to the there is the case that statement of the one of the victim girl was recovered. The petitioners, namely Sarijana Khatri, how the petition number 2 will be involved? Anyway, all will come under.
Yes, sir. Lordship, there is no any allegation against 2, 3, and 4, Lordship, but although their name is also not mentioned in the FIR.
Tell us about 2, 3, and 4.
Lordship, the 2 is the father and 3 is the brother and 4 is the brother-in-law of the petition number 1. So, in connection with this FIR, Lordship, they are apprehending of arrest and the police are trying to arrest them. Otherwise, there is no allegation against the 2, 3, and 4.
Yes, inform Mr. Haloi. Yes. Hello, 28 তাৰিখতো সময় নাই, 30 তাৰিখেতো মই এভেইলেবল নাই।
Inamul Hussain.
Mhm.
Inamul Hussain against.
Only against the accused number one, petition number one.
Baru dia
Just read it in.
Inamul Hussain or Yes, okay.
Who is it? Ikramul or Inamul? First sentence you'll see Inamul,
Inamule.
but later you just see in the second figure.
ইনামুল হুছেইনৰ লগত থাকে,
থাকে।
ভাল পাইছিলো।
But there, no one by the name of Ikramul is mentioned nowhere in
Where
the.
is petition number 3?
ইকরামুল।
The
নুরুল ইসলাম, নুরুল ইসলাম।
161 to some degree, but.
161 plus 6 ইনামুল হতে
Inamul.
ইনামুল হতে
Ikramul কথা শোনা গেছে। In the
161 মানে
in the 161 looks like Inamul. Nowhere Inamul. Inamul has been mentioned.
161 by police. So we are not.
There's a confusion, but Ikramul,
ಇದು ಇಕ್ರಾಮುಲ್।
It should be number 3 only. if they are residing together, they are residing adjacent. So the victim girl will be aware
Yes,
that the person is married or not, having children. So
yes,
in that case, it may be possible with the petitioner number 3, not with the
Lordship. But the thing is, Lordship, my respectful submission, Lordship, since it is registered, it is not maintainable, Lordship, that is the difficulty now.
No, it is the from the case that you can always see.
Lordship.
And that only it will be not maintainable against the concerned accused. But here is a doubt here.
Yes, Lordship. Regarding two Nurul Islam, it's okay.
2 and 4 there is nothing.
Yes.
But only thing is now you have to clarify 1 and 3.
Lordship.
2 and 4.
Up to date case there is no.
Have the accurate case there. At the earliest.
Lordship.
And also inform the informant.
Lordship.
That is not clear. This will have to come from Puragaon police station.
Yes, Lordship.
So whether notice has been served on the respondent number 2 or not.
Lordship. Lordship.
Based on 11th,
11th.
enabling Mr. B. Sharma. Place the up-to-date case there. Puragaon PS case number 88 of the 20. And they said that the officer in charge of the Puragaon police station shall apprise the service of notice of this application on the informant respondent.
Lordship, in the meantime, Lordship, 2 and 4, may I pray for interim?
We'll consider on that day.
Lordship.
Yes, yes. Service perhaps not, service not yet,
From Dhula,
my lord,
same date, 11th,
my lord.
11th of December.
Service. 11th.
Get the information.
My lord, yes.
Yes.
And the state.
As on today, Lordship, 69 days.
Yes, right. Mr. Kalita, just tell us the grounds which we should consider for your bail.
I think that Lordship, the case that under which sections Lordship has been registered. So there is Lordship, the statutory period was initially 60 days. However, Lordship, only after the handing over the case to the CBI, they have added the new section, and that first section Lordship that I have not seen. Also not seen the petition Lordship under what provision they have filed that petition. That petition Lordship I have not seen. Still Lordship, since they have stated before the court that they have added the section 409, it will come to Lordship 90 days as statutory period. Now question is that Lordship, they have the Lordship the very purpose of section 409. What is the purpose of section 409? Lordship will see the 409 and now Lordship corresponding section 316.5. Lordship will see whether Lordship mere adding that section will Lordship give them mileage to any further investigation. Lordship will kindly see the section 316 Lordship.
So you want to show that the ingredients of section 409 are not available.
Lordship, because Lordship 409 only says that if the persons Lordship are engaged in Lordship in a banking or Lordship transaction like monetary transaction are there, then in such kinds of Lordship persons involved in cases, the section 409 now which is for 316.5 will attack it. So on the very beginning, Lordship, when the application was filed, bail application was filed, we have Lordship specifically mentioned that initially we were employed under bank. So we have not suppressed anything, Lordship. So now because of Lordship that to investigate by a CBI, whether Lordship this adding this section will Lordship justify their Lordship further detention. And only I think Lordship there is nothing to investigate because the CBI has investigated thoroughly, Lordship. Even in our house also, they have made twice, Lordship, search. So nothing was found from our possession also, Lordship. Now, since Lordship 69 days has gone, and they have filed a Lordship of the
That's the connected case.
connected, yes, Lordship. 64, 65, same.
64, 65, Rajura, same FIR.
What's that lady's name?
That was the Manu Brahma, Lordship. The
Already
name,
disposed
whose
of.
name has been named in the FIR.
Disposed of. No,
It is pending, I think.
which one your lordship?
Minus Brahma, I am not aware
Minor
of.
Brahmo. Minor
Yes.
Brahmo is the main accused here.
Yes.
Named accused. Minor Brahmo is the name accused. In
She
the,
also filed an application.
yes,
What happened in that case?
that was not disposed of.
No, some order was passed.
Oh, yes. I forgot lordship. Perhaps CP has been called for something like that.
We should take up all those matters together
Lordship.
because matter relates to that
Correct.
and ultimately relates to DB stock.
Lordship. Ultimately, it relates to DP stock.
And these two persons in
They
that
are
Manu
bankers.
Brahma's case is there. Some I read that FIR and the
Yes.
entire case there.
Yes.
Lordship, one thing Lordship will consider.
You are there in Manu Brahma's case.
No, Lordship, I am not there. I am not aware also, Lordship, whether she has filed any application.
No,
before.
yes, yes. He has been arrested. Who
He has been
appeared?
arrested. He has
You
been
appeared?
I appear.
Do you have the case?
Today it was not listed.
No, no. Do you have the case number?
Case number.
That can be searched in mobile also, Minus Brahma's number.
It was before this court.
Yes, sir. Okay. Petition they have filed, perhaps it was not listed there, sir.
No, no, no.
No, I have not perhaps appeared.
Who appeared? It was very clear. Somebody said. I have read that case. Sharma, Marat. I read the case there also.
জানা নাকি মোৰ ইয়াত এটা কথা লিখা নাই মেবি মানে কি বেলেগ পিটিশনৰ লগত দুটা সময় আছে এনেকুৱা হয় এই জানিটো ওলাই দিব কৈছিলে
Name may be different.
Name, perhaps it was, I mean to say, clubbed along with other petitioner. He may be the second petitioner. Because in my diary, the name is not there. Her name is not there.
No, no, that day only you have seen the case diary, first statement and everything. Costly to level.
By
Very recently.
By MAINAU.
No, no, that is not the name.
That name case was not registered.
Name that is that Mainao, no, it has been some other name. It is Maino or something like that.
Alias Mino, maybe Lordship.
You remember how she used to sell petrol? That which
No,
her-
Lordship, earlier Lordship has gone to the CD. And in this CD, Lordship has minusly gone to the and
No, that
found that
Manu
yes.
Brahma case, sir, that's the reason. That's the reason I'm saying.
In this CD, Lordship has earlier stated that there is so many matters against her.
Mr. Parashar and Mr. Sharma, can you help it out? One lady from BTC areas. She was arrested from Delhi. Came out in newspaper. He had often huge amount of money from various creditors, investors. But you know, it is known as Mainu Brahma. That Mainu Brahma case.
But it was not disposed of. Can be.
She appeared, she filed a bail application. My now or Mainu, it was, that name is different. Which name is here, it is not the name, but it is same Mainu Brahma.
That
That
may
is-
be different laws.
No, I remember the same case.
Yes.
It's my now or maybe my no, I don't know, I forgot. In your
In my diary, it's not there.
Might be laws in other matter laws may go to the records of other cases.
it will be definitely there. You can give us the case there.
Maina Brahmo, her name.
This is minor Brahma laws. And
Few minutes. Don't leave. Just to try to find out. Dispute of person. সেই টাকা থাকতে আমার জানো না হয় না ব্রহ্ম হিসেবে থাকে হাজবেন্ডের নামটা বেড়ে গেছে নার্সারি হল নাকি
husband name is
He
Latif.
was married to somebody, no?
Yes, Latif.
Dipankar-
No,
Dipankar Bachchan,
no,
is it?
Dipankar. Khonin Chergel. Khonin Chergel.
Sargeri.
Lordship. As per information in the FIR, Lordship. Mainu Brahmo Sami Khonin Chergeri. Sri Khonin Chergeri, not late Lordship. Khonin Chergeri.
That Mainau and Mainu somewhere something is.
Lordship, yes. Might be Lordship, some other cases there in court.
Mr. Haloi,
Lordship.
from your case, there just find out what was her name exactly.
It is Maina Brahma, Mainao. Mainao, Maina Brahma, Brahma.
MAI?
Mainao.
There are many.